My name is Reza Pramudya and I want to do a project. Part 1. Answer the question and take the note. 1. What is the new result of the happiness and conducted by Cambridge University? The answer is, what people buy can lead to happiness, but only if they buy the right thing and fit with their personalities. 2. How do the researchers do the new research of happiness? The answers: the research team compared the personality of 625 people with a list of how they spend their money. 3. Why does the researcher suggest the internet company use the information of happiness people? The answer is because the internet company can be used to find the recommendation of product and service to make people happier. Number 4. Why does the researcher state the spending money on products that help us express who we are? The answer is because it can be important to well-being to find the right job, the right neighborhood, or even the right friend and partner. 5. Make a note. 1. To study may change of what people think on happiness depending on how they spend the money to increase their happiness. 2. The researcher conducted the study on the spending habit of a customer in the bank by comparing of what customer bought with their personalities. 3. The internet company can be used to find the information about people's happiness. 4. The researcher said that spending money on products that use express who we are is important to the individual. Part 2. Make a note. New kinds of food. Generally modified food or GM food is a food, either wild animal or plant, that has been altered by scientists in laboratory. The scientists take something from one animal or plant and add it to different plant or animal to make it grow in different way. These food are made by inserting gene of other species into their DNA. And in general, food have benefits and risks. From benefit first, GM need fewer pesticides, less pollution and less cost. The example, farmer can grow corn with fewer pesticides because the farmer don't have to spend a lot of money of pesticide and also reduce the pollution in environment. Grow better than normal plant. Can grow more in any weather. Example, general modified strawberry can grow in cold weather. These are better than normal strawberry because farmer can plant the strawberries early in spring and later in fall weather. Stay fresh longer. Can stay fresh after the day harvest. Example, general modified tomato can stay fresh in store for about 2 months instead of 1 week or 2 weeks. This means that is more time to sell the food and less food is thrown away or waste. And now the risk. GM plants can dominate other plants. Plant dominate all the other plant isn't good for environment. The example, the new tomato plant are stronger than normal plant. That can cause the plant grow faster than a wild plants. The GM tomatoes may start to dominate the environment. GM plants can hurt wild animal and insect. The GM plant can hurt the wild animal or insect that live nearby. The examples, the butterfly that live near the cornfield are dying. Butterflies are good insects and don't eat the corn, but somehow that corn is killing the butterfly, so there's a risk that GM food can hurt animal and insect in environment. GM food can be harmful to the people. GM food can be harmful for people who consume the food. The example, the scientists are trying all kinds of new things, such as putting the gene of animal into a plant. For example, scientists took a gene from a fish, a gene that helps the fish live in cold water, and put that into a strawberry that may be harmful to people. Part 3. Answer and question and make a note. 1. Why does life in Hong Kong become very stressful? The answer is because in Hong Kong, the families is crowded into a very small housing space. 2. What is the meaning of the word stress stand for? The answer is the meaning of word stress stand for is begin with S for scheduling, T for treat, R for relax, E for expectation, S for sleep, and last is S for smile. 3. Why does the smile can with stress? The answer is because if you smile and have confidence, your attitude and your talk influence that way you see things. 4. What is the meaning of treat? The answer is the meaning of treat is treat your body well. Number 5. Make a note. The family in Hong Kong are trapped in a very small housing space. Maybe sometimes you look argue with your family, and I think try to resolve the disagreement with people is very important, because then you can build a strong relationship and keep commitment you have made. Sometimes maybe you are feeling alone and you want to make some comfort, and I think you can ask the people you trust for help is very important, because if you can have a bunch of friends, they can listen to you, then you can release some stress. Start talking to them. If you want to reduce some stress, you can reduce by the word STRESS. That's stress. S is stand for you have to scheduling. For example, you don't have to schedule too many things in your day, and if you feel you're too busy, you can cut out an activity or two. The T word is treat your body well, because experts say that exercise can reduce stress, and also if you eat healthy food, then your brain and your body get the nourish they need. R is very important. It says relax. You can do an activity you enjoy or then relax you. Maybe you can read a good book or learn new hobby and spend time with your pet, or even you can visiting a spa and could make a very good difference. E is about expectation. Be realistic about yourself is to be true to yourself and other. So you can just do your best and don't try to be perfect, and don't expect others to be too, because that will release and reduce a lot of stress for you and the people around you. S is stands for sleep, because it will keep your mind and your body in shape. And experts say if you sleep more than 7 hours, you actually get tired. So don't sleep too much in a day. Just sleep when you feel enough. S word is smile. If you smile and have confidence, your attitude and your thoughts influence the way you see things, and if you are a negative person, you can actually learn to think in a more positive way, because that makes you feel more comfortable when you are coping with the stress. Thank you.